Hi! In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on Font Size and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!